Let's unveil the carburetor and understand how it works. At its core, a carburetor is all about precision mixing. It's like a chef crafting a gourmet dish. The carburetor combines the right amount of fuel and air to create a combustible mixture that powers the engine. Fuel is drawn from the fuel tank, and air is pulled in through the air intake. These elements meet in the carburetor, where they're mixed and atomized. The resulting mixture is then sent to the engine cylinders, where it's ignited to produce the explosive force that drives the propeller. Now here's the interesting part: getting that mixture just right. Too much fuel and the engine might flood. Too much air and the engine might run lean, so achieving the perfect balance is essential for optimal engine performance. Interestingly, the carburetor needs to be adjusted based on factors like altitude and throttle settings. That's where the art of aviation comes in. Pilots and mechanics work together to ensure that the carburetor is fine-tuned for each flight. In colder conditions, moisture in the air can freeze on the carburetor's surfaces, leading to carburetor icing. This can disrupt the fuel and air mixture, potentially causing the engine to lose power or even stall. To combat carburetor icing, pilots use carburetor heat, a feature that warms the air before it enters the carburetor. This melts any ice that has formed and helps maintain a consistent and reliable mixture, ensuring safe and smooth flight. Although aviation has evolved, so have carburetors. Modern aircrafts now employ a more advanced fuel injection system, which offers greater precision and efficiency. These systems electronically control the fuel-to-air ratio, enhancing both power and fuel economy. But don't let the modern technology fool you. Carburetors still hold a special place in aviation history. They remind us of the pioneering days when aviation was just taking flight. And there you have it, the carburetor, an unsung hero of aviation. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more aviation-related content.